This exercise is called 7-way hips. So the first way we're going to do is going to be with the heel pointed towards the ceiling, foot in front of the other foot. Go ahead and bring your legs straight out to the side for as many reps as your coach prescribes. The second direction for 7-way hips is going to be straight forward. So we're going to kick a straight leg forward as far as we can. The third way is going to be straight back, so it's going to be hip extension. You might notice that Lori is using both hands to keep some stability into the floor. The fourth way is going to be all the way forward to all the way back. The fifth way is going to be forward circles. So we're going to go ahead and do circles in the front. Perfect. The sixth way is going to be backward circles. There we go. And the last way is going to be like a running stride. So knee is going to come towards the midline, foot goes out, and then we come back down. This is 7-way hips.